Agileze, how you take know say I dey hungry? Thank you so much. But this food too small. You no get another one make you come add to this one?
Make you finish that one first.
Okay, abeg put another one for fire o.
Okay.
I begin to dey eat because I dey hungry. This Agileze today, God will bless you well well. God will bless you, God will bless you because like say you don't know say I dey hungry.
Thank you,
Now
food
you go put this
master.
thing for fire.
Thank you, food
Abeg
master.
put more.
Ah yeah, then I put another one for fire then. Finish
Put
that
more,
one
put more,
first.
put more.
Okay.
Like say this one will good. Wetin be this so? Maggi? Maggi? I'm not sure say that one na Maggi. You can take from that one. Another Maggi? Wetin be this one? Why you come dey put na Maggi you take cook give me today? Agileze,
Food master.
na Maggi wey you take cook, e no even melt for inside the soup. Na so Maggi I come dey carry dey come out for inside the stew. Come carry the food comot. Today you dey leave my house. Today na you dey comot for my house. Because you don't know how to cook. Every day you go cook this one, you no enter. Look the other one you cook that day, you call am food pepper soup. That one sef, e no even work. Today na Maggi na you carry come. Come carry your Maggi and your food dey go. Agileze,
Food master.
come and carry your Maggi and your food dey go.